Scenarios are an organized way of thinking about the future. The future is impossible to predict, but we can imagine the range of things that might happen in the future, and scenarios help organize that vast range of possibilities into an understandable set of stories. For scientists, they help us organize our modeling analyses. Otherwise, there are just too many questions and too many things to do. And the scenarios help us organize those questions into manageably few questions that we can answer. They're used quite widely around the world right now. There are many regional scenarios projects like the ones we're using in the Yahara. There are several global scenarios projects, some of them focused on climate, some on water, some on biodiversity, some on functioning of ecosystems as a whole. And scenarios are also used at a very local scale. For example, many companies use them to make plans for uncertain futures. They're about us, and most scenario exercises in the world are about someplace else and something else. And these scenarios are about where we live and what it might be like in 2070. Well, we want to make long-term thinking common and available and accessible to people instead of rare. We're developing 4 main scenarios, and they're built around different change agents and different forces that structure the future for the Yahara. For example, in one of the scenarios, government takes a very strong role, much stronger than its current role, in managing the water system, managing water quality, and therefore managing agriculture. In a second, different scenario, there are big investments in technological development, and the watershed becomes a center for green technology. And green technology that is being developed and sold and marketed here is also used to improve the lakes and make agriculture operate in a way that's safer for water quality.